Hey, welcome back to class. I remember last class someone said, Mr. O, what makes it rain? Okay, somebody said, what makes hail? Somebody said, what makes snow? Somebody said, what makes earthquakes? And, really, I need you guys to research this on your own, not just Google, but go into some books, even if it's PDFs, all right? But research it on your own. And I'm going to give this to you from a very, very renowned source, master teachers, all right? And here it is. What makes rain, hail, snow, and earthquakes? The earth is approximately covered under water, approximately 3/4 of its surface. The sun and moon having attracting power on our planet, while our planet making the terrific speed of 1,037 and 1/3 miles per hour on its way around the sun. The sun draws this water up into the earth's rotation, which is called gravitation, in a fine mist that the naked eye can hardly detect. But as this mist ascends higher and increasing with other mist of water in different currents of the atmosphere, until when she becomes heavier than gravitation, then she distills back to the earth in the form of drops of water or drops of ice, which depends on how heavy the mist was in the current of air it was in. There are some layers or currents of air real cold and warm, and some very swift and changeable. So when the water strikes one of these cold currents, it becomes solid ice in small, round drops in form or in a light, fluffy form, which is called snow. But this water is not ever drawn above 6 miles of the Earth's surface by the sun and moon. The reason it rains back on our planet is because it cannot get out the Earth's sphere, with its high speed of rotating around the sun, makes it impossible. Now, my question to you is, what do you think causes all of this to happen? Is it artificial intelligence? Is it what people call God? Is it man? Is it nature? Is there anything else you're thinking about? Is it just happenstance? Is there some kind of intelligence or logic in the universe? So that's what I want you to try to come up with, and I will give you the answer when we are back. All right? Thank you. Mr. O, gotta go. Now you got 20 minutes to do some research, and then I'll give you like 10 minutes free time. Okay? All right. If you have any questions, just text me or email me. All right? Peace.